Hi, welcome back. There's one question came from other team asking for what if in case you want to hold a certain portion when there is a collision is happening, means you don't want this particular portion should not be get disrupted. Like an example, if you play here, you see here, this entire surface got destructed and whereas here, you see the base is still holding and then, other part is still holding for this, right? So in case you want to generate something like that, right? Or you want to hold certain portion. Let's an example, you are blasting a door or window. You want to hold a certain portion of your castle should be, available, and the rest of the portion has to be get into dirt bits. So let's see how quickly you can, just do that. To continue with the last session of the video, what you can just do is there is a field called anchor field, which you can find under the tab called engine tab, right? Go to the engine content. If you can see here, there's an option called engine content details. In case if this is not visible for you, no worries. You can go to the settings, enable an option called as show engine content. So turn this on so that this particular tab will be open up. Once it is done, just open up the tab and go to the content and search for anchor field. Anchor. You can see this. You can see a field called anchor field actually. So what you can just do is just drag this anchor field into your viewport so that that's going to stay here, and you can able to scale it, you can move it, you can rotate it. Let's say I'm just holding certain portion like this. Maybe, you don't want this portion should be non-destructive. Means I can scale this to, right? Perfect. So we have something like this. Now, if you hit play, definitely, you see it's not connected. The reason is this section should be added to your, simulation object now. Just close this off. So bring back your simulation one, the object right over there, or you can pick it from your outliner. And then down below, there's an option you see here, the option called initialization fields. Right now it's set to none. What you can just do is use the attribute here called plus attribute now, add an element. From here, we'll be assigning this anchor field to this particular model right over there. Add it. Now it's going to ask for, let's an example, you have two or more. Like an example, you can see here, we have one in the bottom, one in the, on the above. So right now we have only one right now. So just go ahead and say search for anchor field. So I already have one for base, one for the backside. Now I'm picking the third anchor field right now, or you can rename it from your outliner actually there. So pick this, that's fine. Once you do, now if you hit play, you see wisely that particular object is not getting affected. Rest of the surfaces, can you see it's been broken continuously there. So you can just continue to check that. See that? This entire portion try to stay back actually there. And then while playing, if you notice one more thing here, we added a secondary material inside. Can you see there's a white kind of material which is happening on your surface, and there's an outside surface. For that, what you can just need to do is double click on the surface and scroll down to your materials attributes. Now you can notice right now, there's a one material we have added to your primary, the surface. Second one is right over there. So what you can just do is you can just go to the box and you can apply any kind of material you want, and let's say if in a keyboard and double click on it. Let's an example, I'm just changing to pink right now for a visibility, and then say apply and save. Now you come back, and if you hit play, now you see this inside surfaces will be in a pink kind of color format. So in case if you need something like, if a different material, what if in case you want to find the same material? Yes, definitely, we can just go back to your same monument now. So search for it and then say mi underscore Japanese. I'm just applying this. So now we don't have intermaterial right now, and then say save it. Now come back, and if you hit play, you see that the same material will be applied on the backside also there, right? Hope this will be helpful. Thank you and catch you later.